All right, hello chemistry students. We're going to go over a few examples on this worksheet called Writing Binary Formulas. So the directions tell us to write the formulas for the compounds formed from the following ions. So these are ions or charged particles, and binary formulas, these are binary compounds because they're made from two different elements, the prefix bi meaning two. So the ionic compounds are made of a metal, which has a positive charge, and a nonmetal, which has a negative charge. And the charges are already given to you. You don't have to look them up. And we're going to use the crisscross method. In order to do this, you have the first example on the top here. Given lithium with a +1 charge combines with oxygen with a -2 charge. And the crisscross method takes the number off of the charge. For lithium plus or 1 plus comes down as a charge. And remember, 1 is understood. We don't write the number 1. It's always there. So for oxygen, it has a 2 negative charge, and we took the 2 and brought it down as a subscript for the lithium. So it became Li2O. The next one is sodium with a +1 charge and chlorine with a -1 charge. And again, we use the crisscross method. We're taking the number off of the charge, but remember, 1 is understood. So we don't have to write the Na1Cl1. It's understood, and they're both there. Okay. The next one is Ba +2 and F -1. Again, take the number, not the plus, just the number, and bring it down as a subscript, and the number as a subscript again. Since it's a 1, we just put Ba. We don't put the 1, and F with a subscript 2. Next one is K +1 and S -2. And again, take the number, bring it as a subscript, and the opposite number, charge number, as a subscript. So we have K2S. Number 4, lithium and bromine. Lithium with a +1 and bromine with a -1. The 1s are understood, so we just put lithium Li and bromine Br. Number 5, aluminum. We use the 3 and bring it down as a subscript, and iodine, we bring the 1 as a subscript, but we don't write the number 1. It's understood, so we have Al(I)3, subscript 3. Number 6 is a little bit unique. One of the rules that I don't think I talked about these at all, but remember, on the right-hand side here in this box, we see that when the charges are opposites and equal, +2 and -2, they cancel each other out. So you might say, well, we need to bring the 2 down here as a subscript and the 2 down as a subscript. Yeah, that's our normal rule, but what I just went over is that they cancel out. So we don't put Zn2S2, we just put Zns, because the +2 and the -2 are canceled out. Okay. Let's see. Let's drop down one more example here. Let's drop down and talk about this other one, this other exception to the rule here is reduce charges whenever possible. Okay, reduce charges whenever possible. So for the 4 and the 2, we have an example here on number 18. With number 18, we have lead or Pb plus 4, so we bring the 4 down as a subscript, and oxygen is a -2. We bring the 2 down as a subscript, and this is an example of reduce charges whenever possible. This one right up here. Okay, so we have a +4, and in -2, we reduce the charges that we get PbO2. So the 2 and the 4 get reduced to a 1 and a 2. And we do that whenever possible. So, good luck on this. You've got, looks like you got 7 of them done. You have 13 of them left. So, ask questions. If you have questions, contact your chemistry teacher. Write emails. Get in those Google Meets apart from the synchronous class. And good luck on this.